Hello everyone, this is Vishalini. Welcome to my channel Homemade Heaven. In this channel you can find home organization, decor ideas, DIY projects and recipes. In this video I would like to show you how I organized my daughter's study table on a small budget. This table we bought a month ago from Flipkart and I arranged it temporarily so that I can work on some DIY projects. These are the items I was working on and few items are recycled. This is a cough syrup bottle which I cleaned and wrapped it in a jeweltine and painted it and add some handmade crepe paper flowers. This is a small delivery cardboard box from Amazon which I recycled it by covering it with a fabric scrap and again added some jeweltine to give a finished look. Doesn't it look cute? This one is a corkboard which I bought it for 300 bucks and I painted them in teal and gold and added some embellishments. These are blank MDF coasters which I bought 3 for 100 from a sale and I painted a background color and later drew some flowers and finished it with some embellishments and turned into a wall hanging. And this pen holder which I already had, I repainted and decoupaged with this rose paper cutting which I took from this shopping bag. Here's my favorite one. This wooden frame, again I decoupaged it with a napkin and added some pearls which gives a shabby chic look. This project really came out very well. I turned this cardboard box by putting a cotton shopping bag inside and stretched it outwards and lined the fabric neatly on the inside and added some jute twine and painted with some simple design like this one. I really loved the finishing look. This one was also a cardboard box which I did it in the similar way. Since I knew some basic sewing, I did this tablecloth for the table and I also made some cord wraps from fabric scrap. If you can't sew, you can buy similar items online or you can use hair ties instead. Let's start cleaning. Whenever you organize a space, take everything out so that you can see the space. You will get an idea how to arrange them efficiently and pleasing for the eyes. I have gathered all the things here and now I can decide how things can be sorted and what needs to leave. Before arranging things, try out with different storage items and you can see what suits your need. Let me show you the finishing look. On the top shelf, I kept this toolbox with extra stationeries, her favorite soft toy, and a table lamp. Since I don't want her to have easy access to the stationery items, I have kept it on the top. In this shelf, I have kept her coloring materials and notebooks which she uses for homework, coloring, and drawing. Here I have kept the decorative items and a table clock to her eye level, and in this basket I kept frequently used color pens for her classwork and some basic supplies like erasers and glues. This basket was perfect fit in this tiny space where I kept all cords and headset. Since the width of the table is small, I kept all the cords tied with a cord wrapper so she can take them out only when she needs it. As you can see, this shelf has larger space. I kept her school books and notes, which is easy for her to take it out. And the last shelf, I have kept her toys, which has shrunk to a minimum because she is entering her teenage. I have placed this wall hanging and a pegboard where she can pin her timetable, drawings, or any project she is working on. I have stick the twine from the pegboard with painter's tape, which will prevent it from moving. Since it's my daughter's space, I want her to feel comfortable in taking out the things and putting them back easily. This will make your child stress free and they won't get overwhelmed by keeping it tidy. The kids are learning from home these days and they need a proper settings and a space for their studies and activities. Every home is unique. What works for me might not work for others and vice versa. But the key to an organized space starts from planning according to our space and our personal preference. And it's not always necessary to buy things for organization and decor, as you can always recycle things and turn them into a beautiful and useful ones. All you need is to bring your creative spirit. Hope you all enjoyed watching my first video, and do give a big thumbs up and subscribe to Homemade Heaven and click on the notification bell for new video updates. Until then, take care and bye.